welcome you. In this video you learn system call. You search the system call, you have the text result. When a program in user mode requires access to RAM or hardware resource, it must ask the kernel to provide access to that resources. This is done via something called a system call. When a program makes a system call, the mode is switched from user mode to kernel mode. This is called a context switch. Then the kernel provides the resource which the program requested. After that, another context switch happens, which results in change of mode from kernel mode back to user mode. Today you learn system call. In the system call definition, the real-time example, a person have a bank locker account. He need to access the locker. You directly go to the bank and request to the manager, and manager permit him to the locker room. The same thing, when a program in a user mode requests access to the RAM or hardware. The same thing, the program is a man, access the RAM or hardware. This is a locker room. It must ask the kernel, this is the bank manager, to provide access that resource. The manager provided access to the person to access the locker. This is done via something called system call. In that request fulfill is called a system call. I hope you understood what is system call. Thank you.